never did looking at your phone.
I never see you looking at my phone. Ooh, the morning makes me so wet. Say morning to Razablade. You don't know my hairstyle 50 out of 10. But there, I check through some things on the computer quick and fast. Miss Baby Ram in a bed. Which meme this year share. When you're about to slide her panties off and she asks, do you really love me? Jesus Christ, that tell me every time. Look on the face, good people. What that question makes sense at this time? May you the 3 years you still ask me that. Although I never slide nothing still.
Exactly.
Miss Desiree, you're watching this, I've never slid nothing. I promise you on God.
Virgin Squad. Hungry?
Yeah.
Porridge?
No. I actually have the pullover here and me alone have one. I've never printed none of these. I don't feel like I get to post a vlog this evening because I got dip on the road, then I have to go over my mother, then I have to go country. If I do get to vlog, not really. When we see some vlog, but you're not going to see them. You're not going to see them like the day after the last vlog when I post, you really get in the car. God bless it at $5. So I need to pack up my stuff there. A $5 baby?
9.
That's all that girl do, she just rob me all the time.
Put it on my piggy pan.
Nah, I don't have piggy pan too. Hey man, never dip on the vlog. When you don't save, I don't have money for save. You know woman take it from and put in a feeding pan and say a feeding savings. Because I go through that, you know. I go through that robbery there.
Hey, come on, man. Sharing is caring, man.
Where you get that from? That bad still. Oh yeah. Go now. Sort out some clothes and then link on the back. Alright, so I'm ready like for the last 5 years and I wait for my girlfriend to get ready. But she not gonna go which part me go after we leave out, so I shown her before she left. Babe, say hi to the vlog.
I don't want to hi.
But you want to catch your mouth with your mustard for your face. Yo! Boomerang. Oh, that's your squad name, you know? Boomerang squad.
Don't do that.
Bam
Not paste, not paste, nothing for my squad.
Comment, boomerang.
Start do that now.
You can't talk to me. I'm a man, I do my own stuff.
Excuse me. Move now.
Oh, no. Pissing off your girlfriend in the morning. Ah! Got you! Got you. Got you. But then I which part I'm supposed to meet up to do a video. Yo, nobody laugh after me dog. I'm gonna tell them. People, I live at Clarendon how much years and I don't know Hayes Square. So everybody in a Clarendon laugh after me, I don't know Hayes Square. You know say car to my say so that I say never top as that. So yo, my last. Yo, people, let me tell you how bad it is. Hayes literally there. Must be about 5 minute drive from Mineral Line.
5 minutes.
Just down your road.
Then after I reach me yard, I live like couple seconds.
Couple seconds, I'm end up way down
reach me yard, you reach High Square.
I reach down way down at Lionel Town. Can I show you up on my camera as my wife? Yeah. And I get a thump in the eye or nothing. Yeah. Cause the man is serious, you know. No, I talk from a man, you see, cause the man nowadays.
Yeah, man.
Me, my thump. I'm to him about thump who? And we run the block. We eat some food, you know, friend.
Yeah.
I like that.
Right.
You get to the feed there, bro?
In the mood I want some feed right now still. I don't want to be hungry belly, but I'm hungry for true. Tell him say breast. Make that clear. Alright, all the virgins, let's get some virgin food. Breast. Right? Yeah. Breast is the best. And water because we don't know about the pan diet.
I reckon there, yeah. Water.
Just so you know people, if you don't see me wake up a man with a vehicle, I win. How much did they say you have to go into now?
200
million. So, if you don't hear me have a vehicle tomorrow, I win a lotto. Everybody there, sir.
Me I sell drugs.
Yeah. Hey, yo, look how my money well cripsy. Money well cripsy. Any man a
watch out, don't give them too much. Cause some boy love thief man lines, you know. See him so.
No.
We will laugh, you not give me laugh it.
No, put more. Yeah, that around for the man got a Bluetooth. Yeah, back side, I give him one, you know.
call you. Fun fact, this is the first time I go on a music video shoot with Chrome them and it done before 10 o'clock in the night. So Sniper, when you watch this, tell Chrome say me say it. Whichever one I want to see it first is it. But me run go link my mother. I don't want to come this close and at least say mommy want to go on. Miss White! Sister White! Sister White! I wonder who I call you.
Because as somebody I mock me, I say Mr. White.
Alright.
You understand? That's why you don't know, see, I key me, I have to go to the bank.
You can't find the key?
There, man.
Alright. Ooh. Eh? Oh. See now, come up.
Yeah,
I tell the people we out here. The man literally if you fix you if you go in that shot.
don't use a cigarette.
Cut some of my ear. Cut some of my ear, man. I'm tired. I'm going to bed after 4. Wake up after 6. Lay back on the road from about after 9. Need some sleep, yo.
I must want my phone around you know. Oh.
Yeah. The fear.
Because I can't go run with the Audi there. That's
Hold steady, my friend. Thank you.
Thank you, nice to go.
You're there on the vlog now, you know, you can't run. I'm not blow it your face now, nothing. I want big style, we use for him, you know. Big style, we use for him, you know. We out here. Ah, funeral day people, but I cut me a cut. Zin? Oh, yeah, look, you get the good side. Shout out to the YouTube name, because I cut me a cut.
Yeah, man, active dynamic life, man.
So I say, if I pass through in dirt, what I do, we go play a mine. Me not see them. Me there so long and wait and I don't see nobody. Me I just take one taxi come up, master. I'm want to catch a free drive, you know, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You know your girlfriend, right?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you can't trick me?
What?
You feel like you can't trick me?
Who try to trick you?
Damn, that's not the question.
No, left. Yeah, yeah. What you say? We feel like we can trick you? Right.
Like we are talking.
Oh, go straight. Yeah?
Just stop with your crazy, okay?
What me I do? What me I do?
How many know why you're being about front for me?
Ah, you have sense though, mama.
It was worth a try.
It was worth the try though. The time is now 2:47, Jody.
2:42.
2:42 in the day. And I just get up back, cause so I come here, me asleep. Well, we got some visitors. I thought you saw her in the car. I'm making her see her face good, you see me? And I'm a schoolmate, you see it?
My cousin.
And I'm a schoolmate, you see me? I don't know why Ianja tried to take relation to her, but Ianja cousin, this is me. She had do YouTube
guys.
too. What's your channel name?
Alisa Shade Lucid.
Alright, so I'll link her there in the description. I put my sister link in the description. You see it? You know I link in the description too. I want the rice and chicken. Listen, I don't want the stew peas. So babe, how you make stew peas and anybody want cooking with the Anja video?
Babe, come on now, you disturb me.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Are you a vlogger for me?
Ma'am.
At this way I look on people, the fat piece of chicken.
Let me see your foot there. Ooh, stew peas with a little leg. Hi, Bianca. Hi. Hi, Jody.
Alright people, Ianja gone bed. Make a run the little prank we say like you hint somebody. So this a prank, make a just hint her like something I go on my phone and see if she'll take the bait. Remember, like, comment. Make you know if you want more pranks. Zine.
Maybe somebody win today. I said maybe somebody win today.
Who's my name?
The win, I was looking for it just now.
Oh.
Sure.
You what?
No, I have breast.
So you eat a chicken breast and it tastes like baby man?
And accidentally take it up. But one time I something left back. Oh.
He needs some milk.
Can we go to the gym today?
Anything around there, you know, cause I don't know. Best one be that one chill. Heavy. I know make that song that stick out of me head, so.
Yeah, sure.
No, sure, really keen up to see me eat a view, but you know, I'm not really for me type of song them there. Well, you have to just take a little time and scroll through your Instagram and really pre-work on.
Where do I?
You just have to pre-work on.
How will I do?
No, listen, you ever see me scroll through my Instagram and pre-work on?
Where?
Let me know.
So why are you in that phone and I go answer?
Where am I going? See? I'm a video them there pre. How much more face?
Call mommy. After she get it something then we'll be able to hear them.
Okay, let's move on. Whoa.
Come call mommy.
Call her from your phone, see your phone.
I don't have any credit.
I don't have credit neither.
Call her from WhatsApp.
Huh?
Call her from WhatsApp now.
So call her from your WhatsApp now,
So where are you just now?
I don't do nothing, I just have call her from your WhatsApp.
You want your side food?
You sure you want to have it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's put it on there. Let's put it on and go buy it up. Damn! big machine.
Where's the wall?
No, that's a big machine.
On himself.
It's just an expression, be a big machine. You know why it's a big machine yet?
Come here.
Call her up on your phone, man.
Me not have no credit.
So me not have none either. Call her up on your WhatsApp.
Oh God.
See your phone here.
Me not have no credit. You not have no credit, babe.
Me not have no credit.
Me never did look at your phone.
Me never see you looking at my phone.
Oh my God!
Me just frightened because you touch me on my back.
This is what you do.
Me not doing anything.
So call mommy.
So call her up on Facebook. We not do your profile with the pan.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yo. I think we could have dropped that probably see camera there someone. Yo, see you could call me up on your phone.
Is there a big eagle?
Alright, hopefully I'm gonna make it this far in the vlog because me need no help. Anybody at all will ever order anything from eBay or Amazon or something, tell me how this process goes. So me get them 2 extra battery with the Canon I buy. None of them not charge. Both of them they are working at the camera, but none of them not charge. Me show you right now. Come on. Plug in this right now. And no light now come up. When you charge like battery like them, light supposed to come up here, so them have a green and an orange indicator. No light now come up for both of the battery them. So me need some help with that. So anybody at all will know how me fi write to them or something, or just make me know say no bother with it, just order a different battery. Make me know, me gonna need no help. So this is the time of the vlog when I actually take off the pullover because I don't see me have it on for quarter of the vlog. So before me end this video, I want to know if you know if you make it this far in the vlog, comment MVP because you are the most valuable people on my channel. I need to start say this more often. I need to start, you know, press on it. I'm gonna press on it. If you made it this far in the video, comment MVP. And people, please stay tuned and watch all the vlogs them, all the videos them we drop and watch them right through. I'm gonna try to make them entertaining for you. I'm gonna try to see if I can miss a couple days of the week just to make sure I have energy to do the vlogs them because the daily vlogs them really drain me and I'm really not recover yet. These are like 3 days since I posted the last one. And then we have a lot of stuff happening in it. So I'd rather miss some days and have a lot more. Put in the vlog them, make them longer. And let me know if you don't want the vlog them longer or shorter. Talk to me. I need to know longer or shorter vlogs, daily vlogs if I can daily vlog. And let me know everything. Like send me some message on Instagram, let me know what you think. If you don't love more vlogs or less vlogs or longer vlogs or shorter vlogs, all of that. And remember to give a like because the like is super important. Get more likes on the video, that I will aim this year. More comments, more interaction. A lot more stuff will come on the channel very soon. But I just want to know, wait with me a little bit because don't wait with me if you come to Kingston. You know I do good so far. You know loyal. Show Angel some support. I want to reach 10,000 subscribers before February 10. And as always, I'm glad for soon. I'm going to take more time and rejuvenate that I can come back and have energy for vlog, and I'll see you in the next vlog.